Hello everyone, I am Trisha Kharbanda from Delhi Public School Khanna. I study in Standard 8th. Today I will tell you about COVID-19. So here comes my first slide that will tell you about the introduction. COVID-19, also called coronavirus, was first discovered in Wuhan, China in December 2019, and as of the beginning of March 2020, it has led to an outbreak in over 60 countries across the globe. On February 11, 2020, WHO, World Health Organization, officially named this novel coronavirus COVID-19. COVID is short name for coronavirus. The number 19 refers to the fact that the disease was first detected in 2019, though the outbreak occurred in 2020. Novel coronavirus can be abbreviated as small n, capital C, small o, capital V. So let's read about the origin of COVID-19. Coronavirus disease 2019, also known as COVID-19, is an infectious disease caused by severe respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2. The outbreak was first identified in Wuhan, Hubei, China in December 2019. Several of the early cases had visited Huanan seafood wholesale market, and so the virus is thought to have a zoonotic origin. Its sources are probably bats and possibly pangolins. So let's read what is the chemical composition of COVID-19. Coronavirus virions are spherical to pleomorphic enveloped particles. The envelope is studded with projecting glycoproteins and surrounds a core consisting of matrix protein enclosed within which is a single strand of positive sense RNA associated with nucleoprotein. The enveloped glycoproteins are responsible for attachment to the host cell and also carry the main antigenic epitopes, particularly the epitopes recognized by neutralizing antibodies. OC43 also possesses a hemagglutinin. Here is the coronavirus structure. At the top, there are spike glycoproteins. Next, blue-like structure is known as hemagglutinin. Next comes the green-like structure, which is known as M protein, and the red-like structure is E protein. This is the envelope, and in the center there is a thread-like structure, which is RNA and N protein. So let's read mode of transmission epidemiology. The epidemiology of coronavirus has little been studied. Waves of infection pass through communities during the winter months and often cause small outbreaks in families, schools, etc. Immunity does not persist and subjects may be reinfected, sometimes within a year. Person-to-person contact seems to be the main method of transmission of coronavirus. Transmission typically occurs when someone with the virus sneezes or coughs on you, leaving respiratory droplets on your skin or clothing, or you touch someone who has the virus on their skin or clothing. You then touch your face, which gives the virus an entry point via your mouth, nose, or eyes. So let's read the mechanism of action of COVID-19. Coronaviruses are enveloped positive stranded RNA viruses that replicate in the cytoplasm. To deliver their nucleocapsid into the host cell, they rely on the fusion of their envelope with the host cell membrane. The spike glycoproteins mediates virus entry and is a primary determinant of cell tropism and pathogenesis. It is classified as class I fusion protein and is responsible for binding to the receptor on the host cell as well as mediating the fusion of host and viral membranes. This review discusses coronavirus entry mechanisms, focusing on the different triggers used by coronaviruses to initiate the conformational change of the S protein, receptor binding, low pH exposure, and proteolytic activation. Reasons for spreading of COVID-19 are: people can catch COVID-19 from others who have the virus. COVID 19 spreads from an infected person through small droplets from the nose or mouth, which spread when a person coughs or sneezes. Touching an object or surface with these droplets on it and then touching your mouth, nose, or eyes before washing your hands or sanitizing your hands. Close personal contact, such as touching or shaking hands. So let's read the symptoms of COVID 19. Symptoms of COVID 19 are fever, breathing problem, coughing or sneezing, tightness of chest, running nose, headache, feeling unwell, pneumonia, kidney failure, fatigue, muscle aches and pains, confusion, loss of smell and loss of taste, chills. These are the preventions for COVID 19. To prevent the spread of COVID 19, clean your hands often, use soap and water or an alcohol based hand rub, maintain a safe distance from anyone who is coughing or sneezing. Don't touch your eyes, nose, or mouth before washing your hands. Cover your nose and mouth with your bent elbow or tissue when you sneeze or cough. Stay home if you feel unwell. If you have a fever, cough, and difficulty in breathing, then seek medical attention. Follow the directions of your local health authority. Also avoid crowded place. Wash vegetables and fruits very well before cooking. Disinfect common surfaces as frequently as possible. And PPE, which are mask and gloves, and appropriate hand hygiene also help reduce the spread of infection. Treatment of COVID 19. There is currently no treatment specifically approved for COVID 19. Scientists are pushing forward with efforts to develop vaccines and treatments to slow down the pandemic and lessen the disease damage. Other coronaviruses like SARS and MERS are also treated by managing symptoms. People infected with COVID 19 should receive supportive care to help relieve symptoms. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay at your home, and stay healthy. Thank you.